I have collected sample number PAV 2434-3 and urine sample. I have all the tube in a kidney dish. I'll just separate the SST and the grey tube for glucose. Put it in the bag with the blood form and put it aside. Now I'm logging to the nHealth app. I'll just go on sample management, processing, begin scan, and I'll scan the SBG number. Now I'll say scan the QR. I have my QR sheet which match with the cryo labels. I'll just tap on scan QR code. So the SBG 0624-5 has been linked with CEE 6583-8. So it will say sample, I have to check sample has been labeled and proceed. No blood collected. So that's for the glucose and cholesterol. We don't have the result yet, so I'll just mark it, check it as no blood is collected and proceed. So now the two numbers has been linked, SBG 0624-5 with CEE cryo number CEE 6583-8. And I'm just going to label the tube. All the tube has been labeled, including the urine sample with a QR code. Before centrifuging, I will just pipette 2 ml of whole blood in D1. Close the purple tube. So D1 is done. Now I'm going to centrifuge all the tubes, spinning at 3000 RPM for 15 minutes. Just closing the centrifuge and start spinning at 3000 RPM for 15 minutes. Now we are approaching the end of the spinning cycle. 54 seconds left, 52. Last 10 seconds of the spinning cycle. Sample spun. We'll just open the centrifuge. put the sample back in the holders. And if we have more than one sample, it follows in sequential order. So the next number would be CEE 6584 and so on. Spinning cycle completed. Just open the centrifuge. So just remove the sample from the centrifuge. So we have CEE 6583. If we have more than one sample, the next number will follow CEE 6584 and so on. As mentioned earlier, I have pipetted the whole blood in D1, and while the blood was spinning, I pipetted the urine sample 2 ml in U1 with the corresponding numbers. So now I'm going to pipette the rest of the sample within the cryotube. So first I take the blue, suck the serum, and put it in B1, and the film which is left, I will clear it, change pipette, and suck the red cell that goes in B2. Put the lid on the cryotube, move to the next one. So I'll take the purple tube which corresponds with a P. So the serum goes in P1 and P2. Share it equally, and again clear the film and suck the red cell which goes in P3. Once again close the cryotube, move to the next one, the SST tubes, corresponding numbers, suck the serum and pipette it in the cryotube X1, X2 and X3. Again, once done, close the tube and sample is done, ready to go in the -80 freezer. Thank you. So this is our freezer. Look for the corresponding trays.
What's going on?
Always safety first. Blue gloves. Pull the tray out safely. Gloves off. Check the number 82. Next one follows 6583. And there we go. For this one, we don't have urine sample. You will see a gap. But for this one, we do have urine sample, and it will follow in sequential order. Once again, safety first, blue gloves, tray goes back, close the freezer. We're done with the sample. Thank you.